Hey guys, today we are going to do a quick clean with me. I'm just going to straighten up this kitchen because as you can see it is a mess. Typically after a hard long work week, this is what our kitchen looks like by Friday, so yeah, no judgment please. I'm just going to empty the dishwasher and then tackle some of this stuff on the counter. I keep looking up because I am watching My Lottery Dream Home on HGTV, it's my new favorite. I know I'm a little late, but the show is pretty entertaining. I think by now, as you can see in the background, we currently have curtains in the dining room area, but we have like these paper curtains from IKEA that kept falling off, so my husband taped them with a little bit of painter's tape, so those are just kind of hanging up there for a little bit of privacy until we go out and purchase some better curtains. But in our current situation, it is what it is. This is how we are living over here in Texas. In our area currently, 3-Day Blinds does not service our location, so I did try that and that was a bust. So now I'm trying to decide if I want to go to maybe IKEA. I know that they have those roller blinds, and then I can do those in either like a bamboo or maybe just the regular white or tan that I can pull down in both the dining room and the living room. And someday we'll go and venture into the living room once I start decorating and buying furniture for in there. So now that the dishwasher is empty, it is time to load it back up. I feel like this thing is constantly running, but I don't like to wash dishes. So dishwashers are, made to be used. Here we go, loading this bad boy up. As you guys can see, that wood piece on the wall in front of me, I got that on Etsy from a really cute shop. I'll have to link her below. I really love it. It was actually really like a heavy piece and very good quality. Underneath it, I just hung a photo of Derek and I from our wedding. It's actually a canvas that our photographer provided to us. So it just looks really good there and very welcoming. So that's the first kind of thing that you see when you start walking down the hallway from the front door to the kitchen. This evening, so I'm just cleaning up our dinner and then I'm going to wipe down both the counters and the stove. I like to to wipe down everything with a Clorox wipe first. So as you can see, I'm just going to wipe down the stove here, as well as the counters with the Clorox wipe. Now I'm going in with my Mrs. Meyer multi-purpose spray. I believe this scent is basil. Yes, basil, and I absolutely love it. I wasn't really sure when I first ordered it, but yeah, the basil scent smells really good. As you can see, I'm now putting the racks back on and then realizing that I forgot to put the burners back together, so 'tis my life. I'm just getting Derek's stuff organized. He does have a bunch of frog fuel in the corner next to the coffee pot. So one of the goals of mine, and if we show this wall again while I'm cleaning, I do have a blank wall in the dining area. I do want to put maybe, not so much a hutch, but maybe 2 long shelves and then like a buffet, and I can make my coffee station. That's probably what I want to do here, maybe before or just after Christmas. That way I won't have so much stuff, you know, on the counters. I just hate having so much stuff on the counters, but right now I just need a little extra space to keep everything out without hiding everything. Derek hates that I keep the toaster in the cabinet, but whatever. So now I'm just going back on the island and just wiping everything down with the Clorox wipe before I go back around with the Mrs. Meyer multi-purpose spray. You guys, I use this multi-purpose spray on my refrigerator, most times just because it's easiest. However, I was wondering if the stainless steel cleaners are better. So if you've used both, please leave a comment below and let me know what you prefer. I know my grandfather actually gave me some WD-40, which doesn't smell the best, but it really does shine up all of the stainless steel in the house. So this is my favorite candle. It's an aromatherapy candle from Bath & Body Works in the scent Focus. It is eucalyptus and tea. It smells so good. I love it so much. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are back to clean and organized. Hopefully it will not get like this next week, but who knows? If you guys have any recommendations or cleaning tips, even decorating tips, I know you can see kind of, I need rugs and all kinds of stuff, like just let me know in the comment section below and I will see what I can do. Hopefully on the next video it'll be a little bit more put together.